Ever wondered why relationships, even though they make us happy, can be so tricky? Let's find out. Relationships are not simple. They are about two different people coming together. Each person is like a world of feelings, experiences, and thoughts. When these two worlds meet, it's like a dance, but sometimes they step on each other's toes. These differences can cause misunderstandings and fights. It's like trying to listen to a radio station that's not quite right, and all you hear is noise. We are not just talking about small chats here, we are talking about deep connections where feelings are strong and egos can get hurt. Relationships are difficult because they are complex. But remember, it's this complexity that makes each relationship special and worth holding on to. The human mind is like a puzzle, and it plays a big part in the problems we face in relationships. Let's try to understand this better. Imagine a seesaw, with being selfish on one side and being helpful on the other. Our need to look after ourselves can sometimes make us act selfishly, which can cause problems in our relationships. We don't always mean to do it, but it's a natural instinct. Now think of ego as an invisible wall. We build this wall with our achievements, experiences, and how we see things. But this wall can stop us from understanding and caring about how our friends or partners feel. Lastly, there's fear, especially the fear of showing who we really are, of getting hurt or not being understood. This fear stops us from sharing our feelings, which can cause problems. Our fight with our own mind often becomes the fight in our relationships, making them hard. So we've been on a journey, looking at relationships and how tricky they can be. We've learned that relationships are not easy to figure out. Each person in a relationship is different, with their own life experiences, ways of thinking, and feelings. This can make things more complicated. We also talked about why relationships can be hard. Sometimes we are too focused on ourselves, our pride gets in the way, or we let our fears stop us. These things can cause problems, but these problems can also make relationships interesting and worthwhile. They can make us step out of our comfort zones, help us grow, and teach us important things about ourselves and others. Even with all these difficulties, relationships are still a beautiful thing. They are a source of happiness in the midst of confusion and show how strong and how much we want to connect with others. Before we head into the conclusion of this video, let's take a brief moment to reflect on this journey we're on together. If you've been enjoying our deep dive into the complexity of relationships and the psychological aspects that come with it, why not consider joining our community? By subscribing to our channel, you become a part of a network of individuals who are passionate about understanding the intricacies of human interactions and personal growth. Click on that subscribe button below and don't forget to hit the bell icon too. This ensures you'll never miss out on any of our insightful content. We're constantly exploring new topics and sharing fresh perspectives that could help you navigate your own relationships better. So, if you're ready to continue this journey of discovery, growth, and understanding, subscribe now. Let's keep expanding our horizons together.